Morning all of you. Today we will see the chapter number 1, similarity from geometry. From that we will see the first point, that is the ratios of areas of two triangles. So the ratio means the reduced form of two numbers, that is, suppose we took two numbers, that is m and n. These two numbers are in proportion. The meaning of it is that m upon n, or we are writing it as a m as to n. So these are in the proportion. And one more thing, that is, we are discussing about the areas of two triangles. That is, we know the area of triangle, and its formula is the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height of a triangle. As we know that, suppose we took A, B, C as a triangle. So in this triangle inside A, B, C, if we draw the perpendicular from vertex A to BC, then we are considering this is AD is the height of this. We draw the altitude, then AD is its height and base is the BC. That is the main point. Now we are finding the ratios of areas of two triangles. So we will see first of all that is, let us find the areas of two triangles. Now we will consider two triangles. This is triangle A, B, C, and one more triangle we will take P, Q, R. In triangle ABC, we will draw the altitude from vertex A to side BC, and we give here D. So AD is perpendicular on BC, that's why AD is height of a triangle ABC. Same way we will draw the PS perpendicular on QR, and PS is the height of triangle PQR. Now we will find out the area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle ABC? It is 1/2 into base. What is the base of this triangle? BC, and its height is the AD. Now same way we will find out the area of triangle PQR, and it's same way 1/2 into base is QR and its height is PS. Now what we have to find out, the ratios of area. So we have to take its ratio. As we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what we have to find out, we took the ratios of, we have to take ratios of their bases and heights also. So 1/2 into BC into AD upon 1/2 into QR into PS. So 1/2 get cancelled with 1/2. So what is here? BC. What is left here? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Okay. So what we get it here? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC. So BC is the height of BC is the base of first triangle. So we have to take BC. B1 is the base of first triangle and height of a first triangle. We will consider it as a first triangle and the second. So here B2 into H2, height and base of the second triangle. So from this we say that the ratios of areas of two triangles, therefore ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Clear? So note down this first of all. Now after that, regarding to this, there are two conditions regarding to bases and height of the triangles. So the first condition is if the heights of both triangles are equal. What? If the heights of two triangles are equal. And second condition is that if the bases of two triangles are equal. Okay. Now we will see the first condition, that is if the heights of two triangles are equal. So for that we will consider one more time two more triangles. Triangle ABC and PQR. Suppose this is triangle ABC. In this triangle, BC is the base and AD is the height of this triangle. Now we will take one more triangle of having different bases but same height. Okay. So here in triangle PQR we are discussing about the first condition, if the heights of two triangles are equal. Now PS is the height of triangle PQS and both's measure is same, and we will consider it as a H. Okay. Now if we find the, just now we seen that the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratios of the product of their bases and corresponding height. So we will write it here, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Just we seen that respected bases and respected height. So what it is base here? So ABC's base is BC and its height is AD. And PQR, in triangle PQR, QR is the base of triangle PQR and its height is PS. Just now we seen that AD is equal to H and PS is equal to also H, because they are both having the same height. So instead of writing AD and PS, we will write here H. So BC into H upon QR into H. So height get cancelled with heights. So what we get it here? BC upon QR, and these are the bases of first and the second triangle. So here B1 upon B2. Understood? Note down this. Now we will see the second condition. This is the first condition, we seen that if its heights are equal. Now in second condition we will see that if its bases are equal. Now second condition, what is if the bases of two triangles are equal. So we will take this triangle which is given in our textbook also. So in this triangle A, B, C, CD is its height. CD is its height. We will consider it as a H1. And one more triangle we will take it here only. that is the triangle. We will draw it here in dotted line. This height we will take it here, H1, and this is the another triangle we drawn, that is the PAB, and this is the perpendicular. Now if we see this figure, there are two triangles. That is, first triangle is the triangle ABC, and another triangle is triangle PAB. Okay. Now, if we see these two triangles, in triangle ABC, AB is its base, and if we see this triangle PAB, in this triangle also AB is its base. But what is different here? The heights are different, which is CD is the height of triangle ABC and PQ is height of second triangle. We will consider it as a what? It's H2. So if we find out the area, if we find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB, so what we have to find again, if their bases are heights are different. So ABC is equal to, what will we get it here? AB into, it is the base of triangle ABC. ABC's base is AB and its height is CD. Regarding to PAB, in this triangle AB is its base. As we know, say that what we are finding if their bases are same, equal. So AB into what will come here? PQ. So AB is same here, it get cancels with each other. So what we get it here? CD upon PQ. This is the, and CD is the height of first triangle, that is H1, and PQ is the height of second triangle. So its height is H2, we are taken it here. From this what we understand, that is the ratios of areas of two triangles with equal height, here heights are equal, is equal to the ratios of their corresponding bases. So corresponding bases VC here and the QR. So V1 upon V2 we get it here. And in second condition what we see that if the ratios of areas of two triangles, which two triangles are here? CAB and PAB. In these two triangles inside, if their what is bases are different, then their bases are equal, then the ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So what we get it here? H1 upon H2. Now just we will finish one of the activity. We will solve from the textbook. Just I will write down, note down this. This is triangle A, B, C, and one more triangle they drawn it here, that is P, A, Q. Now we will draw the height for this triangle, and it is the perpendicular distance between the vertex to the opposite side of a triangle. Okay. Now AR is the height of triangle ABC, and it is also the height of triangle APQ. Now, when we, just now we seen that if the heights are same, the areas of their ratios is this what? It is equal to the ratios of areas of ratios of their corresponding bases. So first of all we will write here area of triangle ABC. In this way it is given here in triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to box. We have to fill the values here. So what will be here? So this is the activity, it is given in your textbook. So in this figure we see the two triangles are there, that is triangle ABC. For this triangle ABC, the BC is its base. So here we will write BC, and what is its height? It is AR. And for the triangle APQ, the base is PQ. Base is PQ, but its height is same, that is AR. Now here they gave two more back boxes and it is the activity. So what we have to solve this at first. So AR we get cancelled with AR, and why? Because it is the height of both the triangles and it is equal for both of them. So here what we get it here, BC upon PQ. This is the activity given. One more figure given in the textbook, that is, just see here. This is the figure. For this figure, we will draw the altitude for both the triangles. This triangle is L, M, N. One more triangle is D, M, N. For the triangle L, M, N, LMP is its height, and for DMN, DQ is its height. Same way they gave here area of triangle LMN. Just refer your textbook. Triangle DMN is equals to, here also again they gave box. This is the activity. So we have to fill the boxes, is equal to. If we see here, what is its height regarding to triangle LMN? So MN is its base and its height is LP. And for triangle DMN, MN is its base and DQ is its height. So bases are same, so it get cancels with each other. So what we get it here, LP upon DQ. From this also we can say that if the ratios of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratios of their corresponding bases. So BC and PQ are the bases of this triangle. And for triangle LMN and DMN, in this triangle base is same. So for the property we know that the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal with equal bases is equal to the ratios of their corresponding heights.